So you know, new Galaxy Note 10 is coming out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, hot off the presses, hot new Galaxy Note 10. So you could maybe grab a couple of your coins there, and pick one up. It looks like it's not gonna have a headphone jack, and we have like some new evidence, relatively new evidence here that's gonna be the case because there's pictures surfacing of the dongle. Do you ever think you'd be looking at dongle leaks in 2019 as a grown man?
Mm-hmm.
No, you didn't think about it. But there you go. You got a dongle leak. USB Type-C to mini jack connector. Many presume that this leak points in the direction of the extinction of the headphone jack for real now. And I think they might be right because when Samsung bails, that's it. It's a wrap.
Yeah.
When Samsung bails, what you got left? And they're the last remaining major player giving you the headphone jack. And so the Note series bails on it, presumably the next S series. Now, people are saying that it's likely that Samsung will include Type-C headphones in the box, or maybe even Galaxy Buds on pre-orders, as they've done in some circumstances in the past. So that might lessen the blow a little bit, but really, Samsung they were the last soldier in the fight. They were the last ones that really could keep the dream alive for those that loved the headphone jack. I know there's other devices out there that still have it, but they were the last, big name, big volume guys putting headphone jacks out into the world in numbers. Now that era, we got to put that era to bed, and we just got to move on, Will. And I know a lot of people, they don't want to. They don't want to move on. Funny enough, I feel like the budget phones, they're the ones all keeping it. They're the ones that all need it. We're seeing phones, we look at phones for the Indian market, they've all got the headphone jack.
Yeah. Well, we know the future is wireless.
The future is wireless. 5G. The future is wireless. Will he do? Yeah, of course. I mean, what are you going to do? But you can't, it's just not going to perform exactly the same. Like people have a point. It's not going to perform the same. And there are certain circumstances where it's convenient to have a physical headphone jack. But yeah, it's over. Why are we even talking about it? It's over. It's over now. Samsung gets rid of it. It's over. It's a wrap. I think it's kind of funny that we're getting a leak on a dongle. Of course, Samsung will reveal the Note 10 very soon, August 7th. Wow. You should talk to someone from Samsung. We gotta make a video or something, dude.
Is that what we do?
Yeah, I don't know. You got to talk to somebody August 7th because I don't think I'm flying to New York or whatever. So make a note on the spare time. We got a Samsung. I mean, come on, figure it out. We got to check out this Note 10. It looks good so far. So, but anyway, we got a dongle leak. It's the first ever dongle leak. And another piece of this, they may continue their partnership with AKG, which is kind of nice because you get an actual upgraded headset from what you would normally see inside of a smartphone box if you even do get a headset. And they teamed up with AKG a while back. So maybe you get like a nice Type-C AKG headphone. And then you don't have to cry about it too much. Headphone jack is over. Let's move on with our lives.